Writing a business plan is an important step in starting or growing a business. It helps you outline your goals, strategies, and potential challenges, and provides a roadmap for your business's success. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write a business plan. 1. Executive summary. Provide an overview of your business, its mission and vision. Summarize key points of your plan, such as target market, products/services, and financial projections. 2. Company description. Describe your business in detail, including its legal structure, location, and history if applicable. Explain your unique selling proposition and how your business adds value to customers. 3. Market analysis. Conduct thorough market research to identify your target market, customer needs, and industry trends. Analyze your competition, their strengths and weaknesses. Define your market strategy and positioning. 4. Organization and management. Describe your company's organizational structure, key personnel, and their roles. Highlight the qualifications and experience of key team members. Outline any strategic partnerships or external resources. 5. Product or service line. Explain the products or services you offer, emphasizing their benefits and competitive advantages. Outline your product development or service delivery process. Discuss any intellectual property or proprietary rights. 6. Marketing and sales. Detail your marketing and sales strategies to reach your target audience. Identify your marketing channels, e.g., online advertising, social media, partnerships. Explain your pricing strategy and sales forecast. 7. Financial projections. Provide a detailed financial analysis, including projected revenue, expenses, and profitability. Create a budget, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. Include a break-even analysis and a timeline for achieving financial goals. 8. Funding request if applicable. If you are seeking funding, clearly state the amount needed and how it will be used. Explain your repayment plan and offer potential investors or lenders a return on investment. 9. Appendix. Include any supporting documents or additional information, such as market research data, resumes, or permits/licenses. Remember to tailor your business plan to your specific industry, audience, and business goals. It's also essential to review and update your plan regularly as your business evolves.